Ever seen a giraffe's tongue? It's not pink, it's not red, it's purple. But why? Giraffes spend up to 12 hours a day using those tongues to strip leaves from trees under the blazing African sun. A normal tongue would get sunburned. But giraffes? They've evolved tongues packed with melanin, the same pigment that darkens human skin. That purple shade acts like built-in sunscreen, protecting them from UV damage while they snack all day. So no, it's not a fashion statement, it's survival, one purple lick at a time.